Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Cursor versus Figma. Cursor is an innovative AI-first code editor built to accelerate your development workflow with intelligent assistance. Figma, on the other hand, stands as a leading collaborative interface design tool, empowering teams to craft stunning user experiences. We will explore their unique strengths, helping you understand which platform best suits your professional needs, whether you are coding or designing. Each tool offers distinct advantages for its specific domain. When we look at features, Cursor shines with its AI-driven coding assistance, offering intelligent suggestions and automated refactoring to boost developer productivity. Figma excels in visual design, providing powerful tools for vector graphics, interactive prototyping, and maintaining consistent design systems across projects. While Cursor focuses on the efficiency of writing and managing code, Figma prioritizes the creation and iteration of visual designs, making them distinct in their primary functionalities and user experience. Considering their target audiences, Cursor is tailor-made for developers who want to leverage artificial intelligence to write better code faster. It's perfect for those looking to streamline their development cycle. Figma, conversely, is the go-to platform for designers and product teams. It empowers them to create, iterate, and collaborate on user interfaces with unparalleled ease. Each tool serves its respective professional community by addressing their specific workflow challenges and enhancing their creative or technical output. For collaboration, Cursor facilitates team efforts by enabling shared coding environments and AI-powered assistance for pair programming, enhancing collective development. Figma, however, is renowned for its exceptional real-time collaboration, allowing multiple designers to work concurrently on the same file, seeing changes instantly. Cursor integrates seamlessly with developer tools, while Figma offers a rich ecosystem of hundreds of plugins and integrations, expanding its utility for diverse design needs. Both foster teamwork, but through different, specialized approaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.